Sincerely Jacqueline DIY. So today I have 3 awesome DIYs for you using dollar store items. Stay tuned. So the first DIY is this beautiful vase, and I used a glass vase from the Dollar Tree, Model Magic clay from the Dollar Tree, and then I used some grout mix. Now, the grout mix wasn't the best because I made it a little bit too thin, so I would probably advise using the pre-mixed grout or using drywall compound. Another way you can do this DIY is by using textured paint with the baking soda and paint, because I found the way I did this, because the grout mixture was too thin, it started to flake off. So if you do this way, I would suggest sealing it with some matte Mod Podge. So for the second DIY, you're going to need these gift boxes, the round ones, and you can get them in a variety of sizes. And you're going to need some tumbling blocks, 2 of them, and some black spray paint. For the third DIY, you are going to need this candle holder from the Dollar Tree. You're also going to need this elephant figure or any figure that you would like to use that will fit on top of the candle holder. And I also used some white spray paint because I wasn't a huge fan of the concrete. I actually broke this one, so I had to glue it back together. And what I did is I just spray painted the concrete to kind of look like this one, just to give it a whitest finish. So I hope you enjoy these 3 beautiful high-end dollar store DIY home decor items. If you like what you see and you want to see more, please hit the subscribe button, the alarm button to know when I put out my next video, and also comment below on which DIY was your favorite. Thank you so much, and I'll see you at my next video.